Hello, hi, whole abafethu kuhamba kanjani? My name is Benedict Ngwenya from Inquisitive Stereo. Ngoba nazi ukuthi izolo ngikhipha inkosi yama-announcements. This is everything you need to know about the station. So okwamanje the station only has one show, which is gonna be the breakfast show. Sukela Monday kuya ku Friday from 6 to 10 ekuseni, hosted of course by yours truly. And so besenza yonke into yakho emnandi kakhulu oyithandayo. In terms of other shows, I guess sizobona as time progresses. But for now, it's just one show, Monday to Friday, 6 to 10 ekuseni. The show is easily accessible. We're always going to be live on TikTok Monday to Friday, and also it shows we told you click on the screen. If you go TikTok, you're just going to click here on the screen, and it's going to link a streaming page to show you. And if you're on Facebook, X, and YouTube, I'm just going to put it in the description so that you access it. Show no access a page to the streaming platform. No matter you're gonna get to hear all your favorite songs and it discussion as a component peso. Following the station is very easy. We've got a Facebook page, a brand spanking new Facebook page, Inquisitive Stereo. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Inquisitive Stereo, or else at TikTok. For now, you're just gonna follow my personal page at Benedict Ngwenya. X Benedict Ngwenya as well, na Instagram Benedict Ngwenya. Noma kanjani ngaphandle komdabaza uzosithola lapho wena nje kumele ukwenze i-page ngilithekile ku-Facebook then akulona ufollow. So the name Inquisitive, ngiyazi ukuthi I'm a very inquisitive person. I always like to inquire about things. I'm always curious. So ngoba sisho ke slogan sethu, it's self-explanatory. Let's hear you out, right? Yeah, so I want to hear what you guys are thinking because I'm an inquisitive person. Sifuna ukwazi ama-guest ethu acabangani because we are inquisitive people. Sifuna ukwazi what your celebrities are thinking because we are inquisitive like that. So the name is inspired from ukuthi sinabantu abahlala be-researcher, aba-curious, ababuza imibuzo, abantu abahlala njalo be-interested in finding out more about interesting topics. So sidila nge-sports ngoba vele I'm a sports fanatic. Obviously ngesihlala singakhulumi ngezemidlalo. We're gonna talk about sports because we can and we want to. So khuluma sidlala umaskandi, sine awal kamaskandi. Surprise le bekade ngiphathele yona, and then we're going to talk about all the entertainment and political news as well. So it's a bit of everything, but sports, maskandi, politics and entertainment, which obviously includes music, ama celebrities akho wathandayo. So the live show is going to be very interesting. From 6 to 7, we're going to be talking about all the breaking news and also taking your views and your opinions on TikTok as well as the WhatsApp line. 7 to 8 sikhuluma ne-guest yethu esobe sinayo, sithathe nama-opinions akho. 8 to 9 i-hour lakho ukuthi ngikhulume nawe nje, whether ku-WhatsApp line, TikTok, noma yiphi enye platform esibe sikwazi ukukhuluma ngayo, noma ukwazi mhlawumbe usifonele live e-studio sikhulume nawe. Then 9 to 10 ziyakhala, basho njalo ukuze umlando for umuntu obasemdabela ngazanqoma ngoba zithanda bathi ziyakhala. From 9 to 10 it's all about music, maskandi to be precise. So the show is like 60% talk and 40% music. The station for now is based in Tsakane, Gauteng. Tsakane is in Brakpan in Gauteng, in the vicinity of Tsakane Mall, but we do outside broadcast as well. So if you have a company and you have an event, you want us to come over to broadcast live, so fika khona noma kanjani ngaphandle kokugabaza bese siyaxoxa ngake phela ngamanani ukuthi kahle kahle in terms of compensation wenza njani ndoda. Khuluma ndoda. The station broadcasts in 60% English. This is the fafa phela amanye ama-South African languages like isiZulu, sibuye sithethe isiXhosa, ubulabula isiChangane, ukhuluma isiVenda. Well, it's a mix of everything, you know, and we've got a national appeal. So asisi station sodlala sisakazela eGauteng phela, no sistation esisakazela eSouth Africa yonke, ne-content yethu uzoyizwa ngithi ingene eSouth Africa yonke. Uma ngikhuluma nge-Kaizer Chiefs, ngikhuluma nge-team ye-South Africa yonke. Uma ngikhuluma ngeGcoka Melisha, umculo we-South Africa yonke. Uma ngikhuluma ngo-DJ Cleo, umculo we-South Africa yonke. So as much as sizoba nayo i-local, but kakhulukazi si-national baba. As national khululeka kungesani.